Welcome back, everybody. Today is actually my 15th birthday, and because of that, I've gotten quite a few things from my garden. Actually, let's take a look. It cost quite a bit of money, mate. So, firstly, I've gotten this one. This is a autumn raspberry bush. So it's a normal one, but it's for in the autumn, right? Which is around about August to October. I've also gotten this, a black raspberry bush, which looks kind of like this. It's called Black Jewel, which we'll give in July. And I also gotten a pink lemonade blueberry bush. So pink lemonade blueberry bush like that. And it's gonna give in July to August. And it looks like this. So right now, it looks like this, mate. Yeah, I got too many basically. No, not too many. I like it. It's a very nice upgrade because I'm just gonna get so much fruit. Wait and see, I'm just gonna get so much fruit right now. I'm just gonna get like tons and tons of fruit right now. Then as well, I bought loads of different seeds. Like, it would take too long to go over them all. I bought basically all the seeds for this whole year right now. And then I sowed a mixture of different radishes in between these. So over here I've planted some more fava beans or broad beans, and in between the two I planted a row of a mixture of radishes. So the mixture is normal radishes, white radishes, and then some weird long red ones. It's a bit strange, but yeah, it's pretty cool. I mean, it would just take too long to go over everything, really. So I'm just going to show you a few things I've been doing as well here on this patch. Let me see if there's something going on here. I'm not super sure if that's... It might be. I'm not so sure if this is a potato plant or not. But yeah, we'll just wait and see, right? Because over here there's also one. But yeah, we'll just wait and see. Oh yeah, I think it is. Yeah, I think it is. Because look at that. Look at that. I think it's a potato plant. Look at that. Yes. Alright, mate. So potatoes are coming out right now. I've also put some breaks down over here. Just to kind of... Let's actually check up on them. Just to kind of... Yeah, kind of like this. To kind of lower the grass and even rot a bit away, so that I can plant carrots and these root vegetables more nicely in there as well. We could take a look here in the thing, but nothing really is going on right there. So it's been growing, of course, but no new sowings or anything in there, I think. But yeah, mate, it will take like half an hour to cover all the seeds I've bought. Let's give a look in the container though. Look at that. I've already picked a few radishes right there, so I think two. Yeah, I think two right now. But the main thing for this week has been loads of seeds and the bushes. That's the most exciting part of this week. Loads of purchases. Next week is April, so goodbye.